A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess of me. Usually doesn't rain inside of California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears before they pour when I'm. Ooh, no, 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 I've been. No, 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 I've been. Do you think about me still? Do you? Couple bad bitches on the phone, going unknown. Anyone know why you never pick the phone? I'll be so gone, blaming on Patron. Couple shots of Henny got you thinking I'm your thumb. No, I don't like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a bitch house, I can sell you an idol. You think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly. Don't lie now, thinking about you. No, 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 I've been thinking about you. No, 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 I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you? So you and I don't. You think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kissed you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly. Don't lie now.
Double B, ready for a press on my baby. Triple A, running with the leather for the girl. And I just wanna know why you ain't going to work. Boss ain't working you like this. He can't take care of you like this. Now you're lost, lost in the heat of it all. Girl, you know you're lost, lost in the thrill of it all. Miami, Amsterdam, Tokyo, Spain, lost. Los Angeles, India, lost on the train, lost. Got on my buttercream silk shirt and it's Versace. Hand me my triple A, I can wait away on you, girl. No, I don't get it, sure. No, have I ever choose to get caught? Lost in the heat of it all. Girl, you know you're lost, lost in the thrill of it all. Miami, Amsterdam, Tokyo, Spain, Los Angeles, India, lost on the train, she's at the stove, can't believe I got her out here cooking dough. I promise she'll be whipping bills up for a family of her own. Some days, nothing wrong with the life. Nothing wrong with another short plane ride through the sky. You and I are lost in the heat of it all. Girl, you know you're lost in the thrill of it all. Miami, Amsterdam, Tokyo, Spain, Los Angeles, India, lost on the train, lost.
I was about to watch Hoarders the other day, and like a lot of people go through those things from having lost stuff, so they be holding on to everything. But once you start really being into like your own apartment, everything, and seeing how much everything costs, and just everything for life, like, oh my gosh, overall I really love it. Like, it was so weird because it's like I was thinking about it in my head and I wanted to change it, and so many things that I did want to do, and like it, I don't know, but I really like how it came together. Kind of bittersweet because it's like I'm ready to go. I've been ready to go, and now I'm like finally in a fully furnished apartment, and I'm ready to go. Like, I don't, but however longer I'm gonna be here, at least like it's not something that I'm worried about anymore. Like, I can be more present in the moment of just like enjoying stuff and having fun, because I would be the person like, oh my god, I'm out here spending all this money when I could have been ordering this stuff and getting my stuff up off the floor. And then, like, you hear the stories about what people be trying to say about people, or especially girls, like, oh, they bed on the floor, stuff like that. But like, everybody comes from somewhere. I hope it's like inspiring to you, and like showing you that like you get so discouraged in those baby steps. Like, people will be like, oh, in order to manifest something, keep a journal every night on your nightstand, and you get stuff on the floor. Like, it really, I don't know, it just pulls out it's going to pull out a different side of you, and you're going to be so much better for it. Like, it really hurts. It really is like terrible. It feels like the worst thing, but I guess that's what growth is. Getting comfortable with being uncomfortable and learning things about yourself and where you need to change and stuff like that. So yeah, just keep going. But yeah, so I'm gonna hurry up and go do my homework before I pass out, and then I fail everything. So, but whatever. I'll see you on the next video.